Hey guys, it's April 25th and we got the irrigation guns going, or one of them going anyway, across the road on the new seeding. The weather people keep saying it's gonna rain, but not much amounted to anything yet. You can see in the sky behind me, looks like it wants to rain, but every time they say it's gonna rain, it never does. So we're gonna make rain now. Just have to fix up a leaky hose clamp. This one here, a little bit leaking on the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's leaking through the hose there, so I'm hoping to just tighten that up and she should be good. She got her fixed. I'm only putting on half an inch. But yeah, she's running. Still pretty dry. The top inch doesn't really have too much moisture. When you get below the inch, that's when you start seeing a bunch of moisture, so that's good. So you can see a seed right there. Oh, lost it. There's another couple seeds. They're in some moisture, so that's good. Nothing really sprouting yet. Putting a nice little mist on it. Just gonna check the packings, make sure it's not leaking too bad. You want a constant drip, so I think that's pretty good. Maybe I can tighten it up a little bit. So this is the drive. You can adjust your pressure by making it turn slower. So I put it to, let's say, 55 or 54. You'll hear the motor actually wind down a bit. So right now the pressure is at about, let's say, 112 at 54 hertz. So if I put that up, go to 54, press your arrow up. Let's just say we want to go to 59 or even 60. You press or enter. The pump speeds up and then you get a pressure of 140. But I'm not too sure I want to go that much. Probably gonna just go to 58. 58 we'll call her. Enter. That should be good. And then I'll put this on to run, so if we do get a blowout, the pump will shut off automatically by this pressure switch. So we should be good for the night. And this system here, I haven't turned it on yet because the water's pretty clean still. But if we do turn this on, it filters out the sand through this line, and there's jets in that screen, and it cleans the screen, blows the sand back out of it. So it's actually a pretty nice system. Since we're not utilizing all the acres for irrigation, we're just doing the new seeding. I got all 3 reels set up, but they're not turned on. There's one over there, and then we got this one here in the same field, ready to go. I just have to open up that valve, but the pump won't handle 3 guns, so we're just running 1 across the way there. So yeah, it looks like it wants to rain. It might sprinkle a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna do a whole lot. Maybe in the distance there it's even snowing. Anyways, this was just a fast little update for the new seeding that we planted, and keep you guys updated here. But yeah, we need rain. They were calling for 10 to 15 mils, but never got it. We only got a quarter, and this stuff needs to get a little bit wet here. So anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the channel, share it if you like. But yeah, subscribe and like the video. Helps the YouTube algorithms and stuff like that, so it helps us out. Anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.